King Energy Mindset. The art of the first kiss. Leading with calm confidence. The kiss isn't a magic trick. It's a natural escalation built on everything you've done up to this moment. Teasing, cold reading, qualification, storytelling, emotional connection, and the way you've handled yourself on the date. A kiss is not about forcing chemistry. It's about recognizing it and leading with calm certainty. Below is a practical, detailed breakdown that shows you exactly how to move from conversation tension physical intimacy without being weird, rushed, or needy. The kiss starts long before you touch her. Most guys try to kiss too early or too late because they only think about the physical action. A kiss actually begins with light teasing, roleplay, storytelling that invites intimacy, a strong frame, moments of eye contact, playful push-pull, a steady emotional rhythm, qualification that makes her feel chosen, not hunted. Example, you tease her lightly. You know, you have that look, like you pretend to be innocent, but you get in trouble on dates. She laughs, pushes back, but stays close. This is the first green light. You created tension. She accepted it. The space game. How to position yourself for the kiss. Most kisses happen, or fail to happen, because of physical positioning, not words. Here's the clean formula. Step 1. Sit next to her, not across from her. You reduce the pressure and increase your ability to build micro-escalation. Step 2. Angle your body slightly toward her, not square, slight, confident. Step 3. Occasional, brief physical contact. Touching her hand when laughing. Guiding her lightly when you walk. A soft touch on her back as you move through a crowd. These are micro-escalations. If she accepts them, you're on track. Red flag test. If she never reciprocates or constantly leans away, you're forcing it. Slow down. The 2-second line. The moment before the kiss. You don't need cheesy lines like, "Can I kiss you?" You need one thing. Stillness. Stop talking for a moment. Let the silence breathe. Hold eye contact for 2 seconds. Look at her mouth for a brief moment. Then back to her eyes. This tiny sequence is primal. It's wired into human instinct. What you're communicating. I'm not rushing. I'm comfortable. I'm choosing this moment. Most women will either hold the eye contact, green light, or break it with a smile, also a green light. If she looks away and changes the subject, slow down. Lead with your body, not your neck. The biggest mistake men make is the neck lunge. Looks desperate, feels awkward. Instead, lean in slowly from the torso, not the neck. Move at a calm tempo, like your world isn't collapsing. Your lips aim slightly to the side of hers, not dead center. Confidence equals relaxed movement. The first kiss should be light, not hungry. You're not trying to prove masculinity with lip pressure. How the first kiss should feel. Soft, slow, gentle, controlled, not sloppy, not rushed. Think of it as saying, "I know exactly what I'm doing." You set the pace. She'll follow your rhythm. Pull back first. Master the push-pull even in the kiss. This is where earlier seduction elements blend perfectly. After a few seconds of kissing, pull back slightly. Keep your face close. Smile. Say something playful and low-key. Examples. You kissed trouble. I knew it. Slow down. I'm not that easy. You're going to distract me. This is teasing plus frame control plus storytelling plus qualification in one move. You're showing. You're not needed. You lead the pace. You can create tension on demand. You're comfortable with intimacy. You don't pedestalize her for the kiss. This is the king energy version of escalation. If she turns her head or pulls away, What to do? Don't panic. Don't get awkward. Don't apologize. Instead, smile. Lean back slightly. Keep the vibe light. Say something like, "Relax, I wasn't going to kidnap you." Okay, you're trouble. I'll behave, for now. You're making me work for it. I respect that. This keeps your frame solid, her comfort intact, the attraction aligned, the moment playful, not heavy. Most importantly, don't try again immediately. Let it rebuild naturally. The instant date kiss scenario. Instant dates create faster connection because everything is spontaneous. How it works: you meet her on the street. You vibe well. You say something simple like, "I'm grabbing a tea. Join me for 10 minutes. During the instant date, you tease. You tell short stories. You sit beside her. You qualify her lightly. You watch her energy. You build the micro-escalations exactly as above. The kiss often happens outside, right before you part ways. The formula: you stop walking. You look at her. You give the 2-second lock. You move slow. Instant dates often produce some of the best first kisses because everything feels alive and unplanned. When not to kiss, don't kiss it. She's stiff and nervous. She keeps turning away physically. She's giving short one-word answers. She looks around constantly. You're forcing the moment to hit a milestone. Kissing should feel like gravity. Two people pulled into each other. If you need to make it happen, it's not the moment. After the kiss, maintain the frame. Don't react like it's a miracle. Don't over-celebrate. Don't go, "So what now?" That kills attraction instantly. Act like this is the natural direction things are going. Say something simple, grounded, masculine. "You're fun to be around. This is trouble. I like this energy." Then move back into normal conversation. That's how real masculine presence feels. Smooth transitions, not spikes. Final thought: a kiss isn't the goal. A kiss is a checkpoint. The real goal is connection, momentum, and emotional polarity. If you've done your job well with teasing, roleplay, cold reading, qualification, storytelling, and leading the date, the kiss is simply the next logical step. You're not convincing her. You're inviting her. She joins because she wants to, and because you lead with intention. A quick note about my products. If you want to go deeper into mindset, seduction, dating, and building a stronger masculine identity, check out my books, my blog, my Etsy store with motivational apparel, and my pickup training app. Everything I create is built to help men level up with clarity, confidence, and direction.